Hi everyone! So welcome sa interface ng Better Teaching Solutions, and this is a software that we've built para matulungan i-manage ng mga teachers ang mga classrooms nila better, especially with the files and everything. This is your dashboard. There are the most commonly used sa classroom as we've identified. As of this recording, pwede pa itong magbago. You can create your classroom, especially kung kaka-sign up mo pa lang. You can open your own free account or you can open paid account. Nasa sa inyo na po. Pero reminder, we have a free forever plan na pwede nyong i-try. Dito naman, you can view your classroom and this is your classroom dashboard. I'm using a paid account so I can switch between different classes. You can see na paiba-iba yung mga estudyante. If we go back here, meron tayong schedule. You can assign schedule. There's an interface na pwede kang gumawa ng schedule, and then if you click your dashboard, alam mo kung ano mga klase mo for the day. Of course, memorize ng mga teachers na yan, but it doesn't hurt every now and then na may interface ka. Titingnan, ay, schedule ko pala yan. You can take your attendance, view your subjects, view students, everything. The usual pag nagmamanage ka ng class record mo. If you take attendance, very familiar. SF2, we will have a different discussion of that. You can view your subjects. You can create your subjects, matatag curriculum aligned. Dito wala pa tong subject ng sample na to. You can view your students. It will go to your student master list and bawat estudyante will have their own profile. Ang ikinaganda, may early warning system kami na hindi nagagawa ng spreadsheet. Here, you can actually see the performance over time. You can leave your own remarks. The system will leave an alert pag bumaba yung grado niya on a certain threshold. And more to that, you can navigate through many instances dito for our classrooms. If we go back to our dashboard, you can also manage your students. Ayan, our forms, school forms, especially yung mga pinakagamit na mga forms ng mga teachers. But for our up-and-coming plan for the school, mas maraming school forms or any documents ilalagay namin dyan. Of course, we have our AI integration. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng lesson plan, madali na lang with the AI. The DLL, isa sa mga most requested namin. Gagawa to ng DLL for you. Chat mo lang kung anong kailangan mo dyan. It will respond accordingly. And this is your dashboard. And as of this recording, pwede pa itong mag-improve as we keep improving the product. But if you haven't tried Better Teaching Solutions now, go sign up. Punta ka sa betterteachingsolutions.com. Sign up for a free account and try managing your classroom today.